Hello my beautiful friends, I am back with another video after a little break. I am so excited to share a new recipe with you. Today we're making this juicy oven baked chicken in 3 easy steps. It's simple, delicious, and perfect for those busy weeknights. So if you're interested to see more of this recipe, keep on watching. Recipe started, we're going to get our chicken ready. So that's what my chicken looks like. It's nice and clean, completely dry. We're going to get our dry ingredients. So we're going to add all of the ingredients into a bowl. So for this recipe you will need your complete seasoning, Creole seasoning. So we're going to add a teaspoon of each. Then we're going to add our garlic powder, paprika seasoning, and half teaspoon of sea salt. For this recipe, you will also need 2 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil. Make sure you're using extra virgin olive oil for this recipe, guys. So we're just going to mix our dry ingredients, then go right in, add our olive oil to our chicken, just like that. Make sure the chicken pieces are fully coated into the oil. Now once our chicken pieces are fully coated, we're going to add the seasoning onto the chicken. This is a quick and easy recipe. It's super simple, delicious, and it's perfect for those busy weeknights. So if you're a busy mom like myself, this recipe is definitely a keeper. So I just want to leave a word of advice for you guys. No matter what you're facing today, remember, you're not alone in this. Keep trusting God. He is faithful and He will carry you through. Stay encouraged, my beautiful friends. Don't give up. So those chicken pieces looks absolutely beautiful, guys. It's fully seasoned, as you guys can see. The color is coming in, which is perfect. Now is the perfect time to get our baking tray ready. We're also going to preheat our oven to 400 degrees. So I know for me it's a busy week and sometimes lives get very hectic and you just feel like you want to give up, but just keep going, don't give up, because you have people out there going through more than you have on your plate. So keep pushing yourself, keep going, stay encouraged, stay motivated, okay? So you just want to place the chicken pieces just like that. That looks beautiful, and this complete seasoning gives this chicken so much flavor. It smells so good. So we're going to bake these beautiful chicken thighs off camera, guys, just to save us some time. After baking for 35 to 45 minutes, this is the final results. This chicken came out so beautiful. It was nice and juicy and the flavor was amazing. As you guys can see right there, the color looks nice and bright. The gravy at the bottom tastes so beautiful. I hope you guys enjoy watching this video. Like I said, stay encouraged, don't give up, okay? Keep going no matter what. Keep going, keep going. Thank you guys so much for stopping by. See you guys in my next one. Take care. Bye.